All right, this is Albert's video. Albert, we're gonna do. We're working towards playing Country Roads by John Denver, and I just noticed that we need more practice switching the chords faster. So what we talked about was going G, D, E minor, C, because that's take country roads, take me home to the place, E minor, I belong, right? West Virginia. All right, and then the second one's a little bit different, but basically those, you're going to need to play those chords. The first half of that chorus, G to D to E minor to C. All right, now so to be able to practice those chords faster, you could just switch between G and D, which is probably one of the biggest shifts of that, of that little progression. Their fingers have to move more, so you need to practice that quite a bit. G to D, G to D, G to D. And then if you get bored of just doing that, what I was suggesting to you is to do 2 beats of each. So it's like 2 beats of G and 2 beats of D. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then when you get that one, the next change goes from D to the E minor. So you could also practice that. D, E minor, D, E minor, separate strums. D, E minor, D, E minor. And then when you want to practice it in rhythm, to make it a little bit more interesting, it's not going to be the harmonic rhythm of the song, but I'm just trying to give you something that's a little more fun than just going one strum to one strum. So now you want to go 2 beats of D and then 2 beats of E minor. 1, 2, D to E minor, D to E minor. And then the next chord it goes to from the E minor is the 4th chord, is the C chord. So then that change becomes E minor to C, E minor to C. However, I don't know if you want to finger E minor like this or like this. I think probably with the first 2 fingers is an easier switch to the C, because actually you don't even have to pick that second finger up then. So we have to practice our chords like this till we can go. And we can switch them, and fast enough so that when we're playing along in a song, we don't have to stall our strum, or it makes it tougher to count our chord charts if we're not hitting our chords right on that downbeat. All right. So. That is, I think that's about it. All right, now again for the chord progression, when the chord progression I'm going to write for you for the song, after you practice all that stuff that we just talked about, the chord progression is like this: 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, then to D. Oh, I'm sorry. 2, 3, then a D, 3, 4, 2, 3, then E minor, 3, 4, C, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, back to G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, This is the C, G, E, F, U, then the G. So 2 measures. Alright, that's going to be our goal for next week. I'm going to write a chord chart off of that too. Right, let's see if this took.